Welcome back to United Zion, Cedar Heights. We're here for the update. Let's go check out all the floors and see what's happening. So on the first floor, we're working a little bit in the cafe and common area. Got a lot of the ductwork up there and slowly getting some of the finishes down. Second floor, the electricians are down there roughing in from stairway 1, working their way down through. They're a couple units deep. And on third floor, getting the insulation going in for the unit. The plumber is getting his water lines finished up. On the fourth floor, we have the ductwork just arrived for the units yesterday. They are starting to install that today. And speaking of ductwork, let's go to Scott Thompson with Brubaker HVAC. What would be your team's focus this month?
This month we are starting the rough-in process of the ductwork, which has been challenging basically because of trying to maintain clearances with ceiling heights and different things. So now we're kind of putting the rubber to the road as far as engaging our plans. Just this past Friday, we did have a large crane here setting all of the rooftop equipment on the roof in preparation for, connecting all of that equipment to the indoor equipment.
What will you guys be working on in the next month or so?
Primarily focused on the second and third floor ductwork rough-ins. Just trying to stay ahead of the other trades, just to maintain schedule.
When you come back in a month, you'll see the drywall going on the fourth floor and getting finished. See you next time.